Hi, I'm Tammy. So we're going to do some more of these easy cocktail mixers. And I got this Yes blood orange and chili mixer. And I got some blood orange vodka. And this is super easy. So there's only two things you're going to mix. I do have my drink mixer here that I'm going to put in my ice. I've already cut up a couple of little pieces of blood orange just to make it look pretty. All right, so we're going to do just 1.5 ounces of the mixer, and then the rest is going to be your vodka. So you can do this as much or as little as you like. And if you don't want it to be quite so strong, you can always add a little bit of club soda to it to make it, not so boozy if you like. But I am going to put in just a little over about 3.5 ounces of vodka to my 1.5 ounces of mixer. So it's going to be pretty boozy, okay? But that is also pretty sweet. But again, if you don't want it to be quite that boozy, just add a little bit of soda water to it. All right, this is it. It's that simple. And by the way, these all have what to do on the back of them, so if you forget, just read what to do. It is time for the taste test. It's that simple. Cheers. It's delicious. This is super good. It tastes it's like a little peppery aftertaste to it because of the chili in the mixer. You can definitely taste the vodka, but it's not overpowering like you think it would. It's a really strong drink. You wouldn't want to drink a whole lot of these because you'd be falling down. But other than that, it is very delicious. You can taste the blood orange. It's awesome. Thanks for watching, and cheers.